Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover forgotten Messenger password. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Messenger application, and then in this interface, if you forgot your Messenger password and you can't log in into your account, all you need to do is to click on the forgotten password button right up here. And then you will see this interface. All you need to do is to enter your mobile number or email address. For example, I will enter my phone number. Then click on the continue button. After that, you will receive a message with SMS code and you need to enter this code right up here to prove that this is your mobile number. So you need to go to your WhatsApp application, and then you need to go to Facebook chat and find SMS code here. So you need to enter this code in Messenger application. Then click on the continue button. And then you need to create a new password. So you can actually click on the logout of other devices if you want. Then after creating a new password, you need to click on the continue button, and then you will be logged in your Messenger account. So and that's all. That's how to recover forgotten Messenger password. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.